It happened again.
What happened again?
I got in trouble at school.
What'd you do?
Well, the teacher was asking questions about animals. Ray was called on, and she said, "Ray, what's a four-legged animal that says moo?" And he said, "That's a cow." Then I was called on, and she said, "Dami, what's the type of bird that has feathers but can't fly?" And I said, "Well, teach."
5% of the world cannot beat this test. Even scientists say if you beat this test, that you're a superhuman. 3, 2, 1, hold your breath. Only using your thumbs, follow, like, comment superhero, and tag 3 friends.
Every time I get a new follower, this sound plays. It's really annoying. And it happens every time someone spams or follows me. So my room's literally like, bruh, 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 bruh.
Send this to someone who takes 3 to 5 business days to respond. Hello there. Last time I checked, you ain't the damn postal service, so what are you so busy doing that you can't get back to me in a timely fashion? You better learn from Amazon and start doing same-day delivery before I lose my marbles.
Did you know you can't feel your tongue when you smile? Got you! Oh, look how cute you are smiling. Smile more, silly. It looks good on you.
Can we talk about the man who admits he wants you, respects you, and gives his time and attention to you, does anything to make you smile, and doesn't see any other girls like he sees you? Sounds like an amazing guy, right? Yeah, he's probably in your friend zone. I said what I said.